Let's create a gradient color just like this. Currently, there is no mechanism to add gradient colors directly in WordPress. So what we'll do is we will write a custom CSS code to make this happen. First, let's start with CSS variables. They are very handy when it comes to maintaining and scaling your CSS code. In our example, we have 4 variables: color 1, color 2, color 3, and angle. They're just common properties storing specific values. You can think of them like variables in any other programming language. Next, we will talk about linear gradients. This is a beautiful feature that allows you to transition between multiple colors. In our code, we will apply this linear gradient as a background to our H2 elements. Now comes the cool part. We can clip this background to our text. This means that gradient will only be applied to the text itself, not the entire H2 element. Notice the WebKit and Moz prefixes. They ensure our code works across all browsers, as some use different names for same properties. It is always a good idea to include these for maximum compatibility. On the page that has the heading, click on Edit with Elementor. When the Elementor editor opens, select the heading that you want to change. Go to its Advanced tab, and at the bottom you will find an option of Custom CSS. Paste all the code that we have written in this video, and you can see that there is no change as of now because the color of the heading is still black. So go to Style option and select the color and drag it to transparent. Now you can see the beautiful gradient color that we have created. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Our text is now styled with a beautiful gradient. You can play around with different colors and angles to suit your website theme. That was it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this helpful. Stay tuned for more such tips and tricks to level up your website game. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new and share it with someone who might find this useful. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring. Bye bye.